Alright, hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Justine Lamer. I am a social media consultant and a content creator. Here on YouTube, I love to talk about social media tips and content creation. But today, we're not going to talk about social media or content creation. This is not the videos that I actually do, but my husband Evan and I just got a new puppy. I wanted to share it with you guys, the people that follow me since a while on this channel and the new people who want to know more about us. We got our new puppy. He's sleeping right now. His name is Meeko from Pocahontas, the Disney princess movie, and he is a mixed breed of Pomeranian and Shih Tzu. We are Wednesday the 18th right now, and so we got Meeko yesterday night. The first night was pretty awesome. He slept most of the time. I had to wake up around like midnight to bring him outside, do his little poo-poo and stuff. But yeah, he was a good boy afterwards. He slept all night in his little kennel. So I'm going to show you Meeko. So here my little cutie on one of his basket to sleep, his little bed. He's like all passed out from running in the backyard. He has one little paw here and like this one. He's so cute. He has a little boot. He's looking like really a mix of both those breeds, and he really love his blanket. And so I got him toys that he like to chew, and this is the carry-on we use to bring him home. So you can open it on the top and you can open it on both sides. And that's some toy that I get on Amazon. I bought this on Amazon. It comes also with the bed here. I have to say though, I am a little tired because he's disoriented. He doesn't know where he is yet. The house is big, so he's like a little thing that doesn't know where to go. He's just so cute. I wanted to show you what we got him before his arrival. So everything I'm going to show you one by one are things I bought from Amazon, TJ Maxx, and Walmart. Let's go. Let me show you around the house how we put everything for little Meeko while he's asleep. First I'm going to show you his collar with his name tag. Alright, so here is his name tag that says Meeko Lamer, and he has his little collar with some bones and stars and little paw. The other side of his name we put our address and our phone number. And so I bought both of those, even the customized tag on Amazon. We got him some poop bag and some poop bag holder. This is the leash and the harness that matches his collar. However, this is way too big for him. You can make it smaller or make it bigger, but like this is the max smaller I could get, and it still doesn't fit him, so we need to go to the pet store and buy him like a really little one right now. And of course his little leash that matches his collar. Then we get it that so he eats some meat on the side and some goat milk on one side, and we get him this little plastic. And here there is some water. This is a portable bowl that comes with the carrier that we got him. So all of this is from Amazon as well. Next we got him those training pads that are like black, and he's really good at like going on it and pee on those. He's really cannot like hold it before going outside, and like it's his favorite. It comes with multiple different toys. These are the donut you saw, and this bed that we keep in the living room is from Amazon as well. I mean, most of it is from Amazon. You can take off the bed and wash it if he has an accident, or you can even go on that side if you want. Here he has some more toys. We bought him his ball, but he's too little for it, and a little brush because he's a teddy bear. And finally, I got this kennel for like I think $30 on Amazon. He loves his kennel. He's always in it. I think it's like a happy place for him, like a secure place. So he loves to hang out here. Some shampoo that we got him at Walmart. I got him some stuff for his teeth, and since he's a teddy bear, we needed some grooming supplies. So we're gonna try to do this ourselves. I think it's going to be. So we also got this gate out of Amazon that we put here to separate this space in the house to that space, because it's too much for him to be around the house. He doesn't really know where is he yet. And for the food, we got him some goat milk and mix it with the steak flavor moist meaty. He got some treats that we cut that he liked, and are those favorite puppy teething treats. And I found this really cute towel for dogs at TJ Maxx. This is pretty big, and it has little bones. Another TJ Maxx find is that bed that is on right now that he really loves. Oh, hi sweetie. I like the details of it, and he really loves his little blankets. Like, he enjoys blankets. So the blanket and the bed were coming together when we bought it, and it's reversible too, so he can sleep on this side. So yeah, that's my little boy. Say hi, Meeko. Hi. He's napping. Alright guys, that was it for Meeko Lamer. I hope you enjoyed meeting him. I really wanted to introduce him to you all and show you everything that he got. So that was just a short video introducing our new puppy. I hope you guys liked it. You guys don't forget to like this video if you loved looking at my little Meeko, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on my future upload. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care as always. Bye.